So I've been living in this house for 3 years and a little bit. And let me tell you guys, this kitchen has been on my mind the whole time. But today I woke up and looked at it and thought, Cindy, why not now? I'm in the right frame of mind. I feel like I can do it. I know I can do it. I didn't plan this. I promise you guys, I didn't plan this. But sometimes you just have to start. So ready or not, here I go, breaking down the cupboards, the wall, and everything in between. Come with me on this journey. There we go. Let's start. So on the onset of me buying this house, this has been my plan. I promise you guys, this has been my plan. I had the perfect plan for this beautiful house that I got. I love the house, but a lot of things inside, I said I wanted it to be mine. And I'm sure a lot of people can understand this and they would, relate to this. You buy the house, you love it, but you want the kitchen to be yours. You want to make it the way you want to make it. This kitchen is a bit dated. It was well kept, but it wasn't my style. I didn't like anything about it. I didn't even used to use the cupboards or anything. I was like, you know what? Just give me a few months. I'm gonna break it down. But with buying a house and things like that, things become a little bit expensive, and it's not as cheap to just say, okay, unless you have that kind of money, you buy the house and you renovate it completely one time. That was my plan. It didn't work. So now in 2025, I am not procrastinating. I am gonna go ahead. Cindy, do you have the money to completely renovate the kitchen right now and to rebuild the dream kitchen you want? No, I don't. But guess what? This kitchen is being broken down. Yes, I am breaking it down by faith. It's gonna be rebuilt before the year is up. So my intention for this kitchen, break it down, have a makeshift kitchen which you're gonna use. It's crazy, but crazy sometimes works for me. Have a makeshift kitchen in which you're gonna use, and then it's gonna be rebuilt before the ending of the year. I promise you guys, watch and see by December, actually Thanksgiving, I'm gonna be in my dream kitchen. It's on my vision board, guys. I am manifesting it. It's on my vision board. I'm gonna have the kitchen that I always wanted. There is many other little projects in the house that I really want to tackle, but the kitchen is my first one. So I promise you guys, watch and see. Anyway, I invite you. That's not the word I wanted to use. What I wanted to say is I invite you on this journey with me, okay? Come on this journey with me as I renovate small projects, starting with my kitchen in the house, and let us go. And also, I also invite you guys to go and take that project you have that you always wanted to do. Let me sit up properly. The project you always wanted to do in your house that you've been procrastinating to do, go and start it, okay? Go and start that project, whatever that project is. There is never a perfect time, okay? Don't wait for that perfect time. Look at me. I'm just breaking down cupboards and breaking things down and being all, like, okay, I'm breaking this down, I'm breaking that down. Did you see the first video? That was what the kitchen looked like. It was nice. It was decent. It wasn't my dream kitchen. It wasn't even my second best kitchen. It's just a decent kitchen, but I don't like it. So I'm taking things in my hands and I'm breaking it down, and I invite you guys on this journey with me. Don't forget, if you are not yet subscribed to my channel, do subscribe to my channel, guys. Please, I beg you, subscribe to my channel. Also comment on my videos, okay? Please comment. It helps with the algorithm and it helps my videos to be seen, which will eventually help my videos to be monetized, okay? So I'm waiting on you guys. Please share my videos, share my videos. And how about this? Tell me where you're watching from. Tell me what you think I should have been doing. I know I should have been wearing gloves, and I'm wearing a slippers and a socks, but as I said, it wasn't planned. And just let me know what you think, okay? Share your experience with me. If there is a project in your house that you wanted to work on or you have intention of working on, tell me about it, okay? So thank you guys so much for coming back to my channel. Do continue to watch to the end, and love you guys. Bye. Okay, so this is just the beginning, guys. I just want to come back to let you know this is just the beginning of things to come in this year of 2025. I know it's not perfect yet, but we're making progress one step at a time, one step at a time. I called you guys to start on whatever projects it is that you had, whether it's a business you want to start, whatever it is, start on it. Okay, you wanted to build something, start on it. You wanted to make a garden in your backyard, start on it. You wanted to go back to school, start on it. Whatever that thing is, I call you to start on it. You wanted to open my YouTube channel, start on it. Don't be scared. This is the year of 2025. This is the year of us making progress. This is the year that we are not going to procrastinate. This is the year that things are going to happen. Okay, don't miss out. Don't let this year be another year where you procrastinate and say, I am going to do it. I am going to do it, and yet still 2 weeks, 3 weeks, 4 weeks, the year end, and you have not. This is the year we are actually going to do it. This is the year it is done. This is the year we are taking action. This is the year, yes, we can do it. We will do it, and we are doing it. Okay, so come on with me, guys. Let me know in the comment section if you have done any DIY project, okay, and tell us about it. Thank you guys for coming back. I love you guys. Always remember, share my videos and like it. Bye.